Imagine you're running towards a bus stop. Just as you reach it, the bus pulls away. For a moment, you feel disappointed. Oh no, I've missed the bus. But then you look around. This isn't the bus you'll ever see. Another bus will arrive, and another after that. People who successfully complete their journey don't spend all day worrying about the bus they missed. They simply catch the next one and keep moving forward. Many investors make the same mistake when they see the Nifty at higher levels. They think, have I missed my chance to invest? But investing is not about catching one bus. It is about completing the journey. Welcome to daily tip number 10. The Nifty 50 closed at 23,853. And many first-time investors are asking, is it still safe to invest? Let's keep it simple. Large cap funds invest at least 80% of their money in India's 100 largest listed companies. Think of the biggest banks, technology companies, consumer brands, and industry leaders. These are businesses that millions of Indians interact with every day. I often describe them as the senior players of the Indian stock market. They may not always go the fastest runs, but they often provide stability when the game gets tough. This is one reason why many investors choose large cap funds as their first step into equity investing. Why? Because these funds invest in established businesses with experienced management and business models that have stood the test of time. They are also generally less volatile than mid-cap and small-cap funds during market downturns. For many first-time investors, large-cap funds provide a comfortable starting point into the world of equities. So how should you think about large-cap funds? Not as a tool to predict where the market is going tomorrow, but as a way to participate in India's long-term growth through some of its strongest companies. Many investors spend too much time asking, is the Nifty too high today? A far more important question is, am I investing regularly and can I stay invested for at least 5 years? Nobody can predict where the market will be next month, but investors who stay disciplined and remain invested for years have historically done far better than those who keep waiting for the perfect entry point. In fact, for many investors, the biggest risk is not investing at a high level. It is never getting started. If you are hesitant about investing a large amount at current market levels, consider starting through a systematic investment plan or SIP. A SIP allows you to spread your investments over time instead of investing everything at one level. Wealth-wise pin-up rule. Successful investing is not about catching the perfect market level. It is about building the habit of investing consistently. For more mutual fund insights and financial education, follow MV Suresh Wealthwise on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and Telegram.